Hi, so I'm in my garden. I have a sleeping little baby here, so I'm going to use the time to make a really quick and easy, healthy fruit salad that we're going to have for dessert tonight for dinner. So I'm in my garden because I'm going to cut down some mint with my shears here. I have a very sad herb garden. Mint is really the only thing that has survived, so I'm going to cut some of it and let's get started. So this is what's left of a few herbs that I had, but here is my mint thriving, so let's cut some of it down. All right, so I've got my fresh mint and I'm gonna show you the ingredients, but first you have to see this. Look at this little foot. Oh my God, I can't, so cute. All right, so for the fruit salad dressing, you're gonna use just 3 ingredients: an orange, mint, and honey. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut the orange in half, use the juice of half of this orange, and then before you cut it, it's really important that you're gonna grate a little bit of the peel. It's harder to do obviously after you cut it in half. And then chop up just a handful of mint leaves, and then we're gonna add some honey, so let's go. So I have my orange zest, and then I'm squeezing some orange juice in it. I'm gonna need a juice squeezer because this isn't working, but you get the idea. So here's the base. It's orange juice, honey, and mint. I'm letting it sit to kind of marry together while I'm chopping my fruit. So I'm using what's great for this recipe is you can use whatever you have on hand. So I'm gonna use grapes, strawberries, apples, and blueberries. The grapes I cut into fourths. The blueberries, if they were larger, I would cut them in half. I didn't have fresh strawberries, so I just used some frozen ones. I let them thaw out, and I'm actually gonna use the juice of that to add it to the sauce to give it a little bit of a hint of strawberry. And then apple into little tiny cubes. So I'm gonna throw it all in here and mix it, and that's really it. Here is the finished product, so let's plate it. All right, here we go. I put it in a glass so you can see all the pretty colors of the fruit, and you know me, I'm all about the visuals, so I like to throw a little extra mint in there, and let's go taste test this with the husband. My hands are full.
What's going on?
Can you try this? You're my taste tester.
Yeah, sure.
I love your work from home outfit. Business on top, party on the bottom.
Mm-hmm. Hasn't been a party for a while, though. Some things are still dislocated.
You have a kid. What do you think?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I love it, dude. I feel like I'm in Southeast Asia or Hawaii.
You're right. Mm-hmm. Thank you. You can take it, finish it.